The ship would have to be big to carry a huge amount of fuel, enough to accelerate it to nearly the speed of light. Getting to just beneath the cosmic speed limit would require 6 whole years at full power.
T-minus 10 seconds. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
The initial acceleration would be gentle because the ship would be so big and heavy. But gradually it would pick up speed and soon would be covering massive distances. In just 1 week, it would have reached the outer planets, gas giants like Neptune. After 2 years, it would reach half light speed and be far outside our solar system. Years later, it would be traveling at 90% of the speed of light speed and passing our closest star system, Alpha Centauri. Around 30 trillion miles away from Earth, and 4 years since launch, the ship begins to travel in time. For every hour of time on the ship, 2 hours pass on Earth. A similar situation to the spaceship that orbited the massive black hole. But there's more to come. After another 2 years of full thrust, the ship would reach its top speed, 99% of the speed of light. At this speed, a single day on board is a whole year of Earth time. Our ship would be truly flying into the future. The slowing of time has another benefit. It means we could, in theory, travel extraordinary distances within one human lifetime. A trip to the edge of the galaxy would take just 80 years.
But the real wonder of our journey is that it reveals just how strange the universe is. It's a universe where time runs at different rates, in different places,